create a Word document using Copilot and using a referenceable document too. So let me just go and share my screen. Okay, so this is my screen here. So what I want to do is I'm going to get a document that I've shared on that I've saved on my drive. Okay, so this is giving me this is the document I want to share, which is University of Reading Net Zero Carbon Plan. So that's the referenced file, and I want to ask Copilot to create a Word document around this PDF. So as you can see, it's a PDF. It's going to look in the PDF, and it's going to pull out the information that I ask it for. So the document that I'm looking at is something like 20-something pages long. So it's going to take a look at that, and I want it to pull out some key points rather than me having to read through it all. Of course, there's no better thing than reading through it all, but if you are in a rush and you want to prepare something fairly quickly, this is a really good way of doing it. So I've put my prompt. The other thing to remember is that prompting, the more detail you put into the prompt and the way that you ask the question and what you want out of it, it's like asking someone, as if you were to ask someone to review this document and pull out the key information around it. So make it as detailed as possible. I've had some people doing like 500 to 1,000 word descriptive points in here, but we're just going to keep it nice and simple just to show you what it's going to do. Okay, so that's pulling it all together. So read through this. Make sure you do read through it. And so this is the plan for 2021 to 2030. It's given me the executive summary there, really short. You might want to go longer. You might want to ask it more detail. And it's given me how many points here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it has actually pulled out 10 points. Potentially could ask it for more. And then you can see this pane here, which is saying, which is asking you, do you want to keep this? Do you want to bin it? Do you want to refresh it? So you can refresh and ask it to give you another, a different viewpoint on that. Or you can ask it to be more formal, more fun, more engaging, for instance. So, yeah, but we're going to keep this, so that's fine. And then over here, you can see Copilot giving you a few more tips and prompts potentially. So what's the purpose of this doc? Is there a call to action? So let's just click that and see what happens. Okay, so it's giving you some further points here for you to consider, which is really good. You might want to copy and paste that into the document. Closing heating systems, ensuring low carbon electricity supplies. So yeah, it's giving you more points in there, and you can just copy and then paste that in there. And then again, Copilot's continuing on the conversation. What are the other actions in the document? Tell me more about the University of Reading's net zero carbon goal. Yeah, please do. Interested to know that. Okay. So yeah, so it's hugely helpful in terms of pulling out that sort of information.